Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go over SPY for this week. It'll be the second week of July, July 10th through the 14th. It is 12:01 a.m. It's Monday, so it's midnight now. And I'm going to go ahead and make my chart, see where I see SPY going. So let's see. I have to make it quick, not super quick, not super short, because I am on low percentage. If you guys want, you guys can go ahead and check out the short that I'm gonna create for SPY. I'm just gonna take a screenshot real quick. Give me a second, please, because this video may be long, honestly. So, alright, I took a screenshot of SPY on my iPhone. Now I can delete all these price targets. So later today I'll be making my video about me trading. Okay. So this is a new thing. You guys usually only see me make day trades. You guys don't see me do weeklies where I see SPY going for the week or just in particular any stock. Today you guys are going to be able to see me actually go over where I see SPY going for the week. So let me see. SPY ended on Friday at, I'm checking my iPhone. Let's see. 438.55. So 438.55. Let's go ahead and make that purple line. $438.55. After this, tune in for my trading short and also my guitar short. I'm gonna make a guitar short after this. I'll be down here for about an hour and a half. Might go to bed around 2 or 3 in the morning. Wake up at 7, eat, get ready to trade, and yeah. Okay, so the 2 hours. Let's see, 2 hours. I want to go to the 4 hours or weeklies. So 1 week. Let's see. Alright, so we came up, had a pullback, came all the way down. So we closed up here, opened, closed, open, close, open, close. Let's see. Where do we see SPY going? Okay, so before we go any lower, I'll just go to the lowest point, right? Man. So there's a few points. I'll go ahead and spot them out. Right here, this candlestick. These two candlesticks right here. So this candlestick and this wick. The red ones. This red candlestick and this red candlestick right here. I think the lowest point I'll go to is going to be 431.97. This wick, red wick, red wick, red wick. So lowest point we could go to, if we do go down, which I doubt we'll go all the way down there. I really do doubt it. Would be 431.97. Now let me see, bounce or reversal. So 437 point. Hold on. So what I'm looking for right now are pullbacks. There's no way we're coming down to 426. No way. After 431, next one would be 429, but I doubt we'll be going down that low. I'll come right here. So let's see, 434.27. It'll be on this red candlestick and this red candlestick. And then be cautious around right here, 433.19, around this area. Alright. So 430. Let's see. The area of 437.52 and 437.16. Let's see. Okay, so the next would be entry for puts could be 436.84. So entry for puts, if you're doing weeklies, entry for puts could be 436.84. And the next price target could be 436.09. Now, obviously, you can go a tiny bit lower on the on the wick, a tiny bit lower. It's not much lower, but it's a tiny bit lower. Now, if you guys see it, let me point it out real quick. Hold on. Let me see. So this wick is a tiny bit higher than this wick. So I'll go to the one that's a tiny bit higher. So 436.26. Watch out for a reversal there. And a reversal at 436.01. So those will be cautious points. 435.58. Will be the next price target. Okay, so 435.40. Excuse me. Alright, so there's that one. So we have our puts, calls. No, I'm sorry, we have our puts set up. Watch out for this pullback, 433.16. So entry for calls, 436.84. For weeklies. And remember, if we're day trading, remember we could bounce off and reverse to the upside. Alright, so now that I have that, I'll go ahead and do calls. Let's see. I believe if, before I go on to calls, I believe if we, at the end of the week, if maybe this will happen. So I feel like three things will happen. Either we'll break 436.84 and go down on a downtrend, possibly stopping at 433.29. And if we go down to 433.29, my bad. If we break that and we hold it, if we hold that breakthrough, watch for 431, for 432, and then 431. And then if we come to 436.84, we don't hold that on the downside, watch for a reversal to what I'm about to see how high we may go. Let's see. So now for calls, highest point we may reach. Let's see. Okay, I would love to come right here for, let me see, 448.99. So 440.99. Hold on. I'll try to make this quick because I'm on 2%. So 448.99. Let me see. Oh, because of this red wick and this red wick right here. Entry for calls. Let me see. Let me just do another. For calls. Okay, so for calls, entry could be 439. 439.28 on this red candlestick. The closing of this red candlestick. You want to wait a little. Come right here to this red candlestick, the opening of that red candlestick. I'm sorry, the closing of that red candlestick. This one right here. Okay, so it'll be no. I'm gonna say right here. This red wick. I want to say it could be candlestick, 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 but before this candlestick wick. That's what I want to go on. I don't see too many I don't see an entry for calls on the weeklies. No, I don't see it. On the weeklies, I don't see one, and I don't want to force anything. But the highest point I see us going to, if we do go up, is 448.99 before we have something that we have to break above strong. Let me see. I'll just do this right here. So 440. 40.40. Then this red wick closer to the left side. Hold on, let me show you guys real quick. Right here, red wick. Watch out for this red candlestick right here. Closing of that red candlestick. Watch out for that. Next. $4.43. So 4.43. Next one will be 444.59, and then 445.34, and 445.77, coming up to 447.58, and then 448.22, and then the last price target 448.99. I feel if we come to the upside, you do have to be cautious for a lot of pullbacks, or pullbacks. If we go to the upside, just be cautious. That's the lowest. I'll just make it a shade darker. So the darkest color of blue is the highest point. I believe we'll go the darkest shade of yellow is what I believe the lowest point will go to if we hold strong. Remember, if we're going down on puts, we have to hold strong on 436.84. If we break that, we come down to 433. If we hold strong and break below 433, we come down to 431. But if we don't hold strong at 433, we go up to 436. And if we don't hold strong at 436.84, then we go up potentially to 440. On the upside, we may just continue straight up. So that's for the week. Tomorrow I'll do what I believe we'll do on the 30 minutes. Or no, today actually, because I'm gonna trade today. And then this is for the 30 minutes. So a lot of times the 30 minutes, you can, if on the higher time frames it lines up with the lower time frames, you know you're doing a good job. And the higher time frame, so the weekly, lines up with the 30 minutes, so that is perfect. You could add a price target right here, 442.59, what I said earlier. I just didn't add it. And then obviously the higher price targets. Before that, you need to go way further back in time, because now breaking above 445, I think the last time we were here was about a year and a half ago. But for puts is looking real good. I mean, for 431 would be perfect if we go to the downside. just a few pullbacks, and let's continue strong. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section. If not, feel free to give me a DM message.